White product should be done with a one ball method for consistency. Place the medium dry ball of product up against the wall of the smile line and press into place, not going over the backfill cut. Otherwise you will mute the sharpness of the smile line. If required, with the tip of a clean brush, wipe the smile line to eliminate any white product from running into the pink product. Then apply your pink or clear product at the regrowth. Try not to apply excessive pink acrylic over the white.